Hi friends, welcome to a new chapter of Medicines and Health Issues YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about expiry date of modern medicines. What is expiry date? It is the date on which the manufacturer can still guarantee the complete potency and safety of that particular drug to the user. I will bring your attention. When you are using a modern medicine, 5 things you must remember about the expiry date. First thing, usual dosage forms like tablets, capsules, and external preparations like creams and ointments. They have an expiry date like month and year. You can use that particular product at the end of that month. Means, for example, if a tablet has an expiry date August 2020, that means that particular drug you can use 31st August 2020. After that date, it is unsafe to use. Secondly, coming to solutions or suspensions. In that particular medicines cover also you can see the expiry date is written like month and year. But you must be careful when you open that particular drug, syrup or suspension, you have to use within 14 days, that means 2 weeks. Especially if it is an antibiotic suspension, you must use within 14 days. Paracetamol suspensions or the analgesic suspensions like ibuprofen, you can use up to 1 month after the first opening, maximum 1 month. After that, you must discard the remaining portion. In the case of dry powders, when you reconstitute it to syrup solution forms, in that case, you must keep that particular antibiotic suspension, reconstituted suspension, after the first opening in the refrigerator, and you must use within 7 days. After 7 days, you must discard the remaining portion. Don't use, it is unsafe. Third thing, in the case of eye preparations also have maximum 1 to 2 year expiry date. But once you open from that date, you must note that date on the cover of the eye preparation. You must use within 30 days. After 30 days, that eye preparations is unsafe to use. Fourthly, ear preparations and nasal preparations. You have to follow the same thing. After the first opening, discard the remaining portion after 30 days. It is unsafe to use. But in some cases of nasal sprays, it is written that up to 1 year you can use from the first day of opening, if you stored in that particular medicine in the specific storage conditions only. Finally, fifth step you have to remember about baby food products and the protein foods products that we are using. Most of the baby foods and the food products are coming from dairy food products. So you can see that their expiry date is written not only with month and year, their dates also specified. So you must be careful about that date. After that date, it should not be used. It is completely unsafe. So thank you guys. Please remember these 5 things when using a modern medicine in your daily life. See you next video soon. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. Bye.